Yeah, higher. So in the previous class, we have seen so many different transformation techniques, whatever we have used. So in this class, we are going to create the sample dashboard so that we can end up with some whatever the required fields we have seen. So currently, we are on the page of this dashboard. This is very nice visualization thing with respect to the pie plot and also the stacked bar plot along with some card and also some slicers with respect to some information with respect to a card and KPI, right? So let's see what are the different tables and how to create this kind of the visualization dashboard is much way of easier to understand with corresponding. If I click on any department, you can see this is a department ID you want to be showcased. So if I click on healthcare, so it will appearing with respect to the each and every person having some salary and also the department ID. So if I click on card, so this is a multiple selection I have taken consideration. So you can also make select also that it will select all the different departments and it will make the details difference between the finance or maybe the healthcare you want to be showcased. So at the time, it is a very nice representation with respect to some KPI and also the salary figure size and with respect to the each and every person having some kind of the KPI and also down some of the different colors to use that. So this is how does this going to be helpful and how to create this kind of the simple and visualization dashboard in the in this Power BI tool. And we can also see other different concepts whatever we have left off. So you can see something called as format here. So if I click this format, you can see bring forward or bring front. So you want to bring forward this kind of the tab or this kind of the visualization in forward wise and also the front wise. Something you can see send forward or send backward. Okay, send forward, send backward. You want to be showcased like that. You can see selection. So manage the visibility and the laying order of the objects in your report. And also you can see the alignment where you want to align it, align the center, align the right, align the left, align top, align the middle. So you want to align with corresponding to that, you can align whatever the specification with respect to that. So you can see we have a data drill also. So data drill is basically helpful to understand the drill through the some selected data type to see page with the information about it. And also you can see some other options also as well, data point visualization and also the data table and grouping, some of the data grouping, find and also the find and all of the selections. So something related tab with respect to the modeling also. So till now we haven't seen how does the model going to be helpful to visualize the things in the transformation of the data or maybe the relationship of the data. So in this case, we are in this class we are going to be see the relationship between the these two different tables what we had, right? So we have so many different tables you can see here. So some of them are automatically detect the some of the relationship and some of the not. So let's suppose take some example for this so that we will get some idea and exploration with corresponding to this. Yeah, so if I going to be delete this relationship for now. So eventually what will happen, it will ask to delete that. We're asking going to be delete that relationship because we have made on top of this relationship with some of the dashboard. So I'm not going to delete because this dashboard is going to be jumped to and also the crack corresponding to that. I'm going to be represented with the other relationship with respect to these two columns. So you can see in these two columns we don't have specific kind of common column. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, we can detect by using this relationship. Name is matching with the other table, the name is matching. For that, what you have to do, click on the manage relationship, click on the manage relationship, so that it will build and ask you what are the different tables you want to be considered. You can see here. So you can type consider for the table with respect to the customers and also the name and also the first name. So you want to be specifically mentioned, go to edit. So you want to auto detect, you can click on auto detect. You want to be create the new relationship, create the new relationship corresponding to that. You can see here. So the customers and the customers having the so both the columns with respect to the CFX on data and also the CCC column now, right? So you want to be cardinality with respect to the one-to-one relationship or one-to-many relationship or many-to-one relationship. So you can see many-to-one relationship we can also establish and one-to-many and many-to-one. So you can also see the cross filter detection with the single or the both. We can specifically mention with respect to the filter direction we want to be specified at the time of visualizing things much better when compared to that. So I'm just applying the same thing. You can also see auto detect. It's going to auto detect with respect to the customers one and also the customer table in the other table, right? So there is no relationship between the these two tables. So it will also auto detect so that it will eventually helpful to understand which relationship it is. So it is a one-to-one relationship. You can simply see here. And what are the different options we had in the modeling, data modeling? You can say working on it.